The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Carolina Emergency Management Agency and the Person County Emergency Services Department. As of recently, mysterious emails containing a very dangerous link have been sent to multiple recipients across Person County. The emails are sent by an account with the name 1645 and have a link to a survey made by an unknown individual or group asking the surveyor very personal and disturbing questions. These questions usually pertain to what the surveyor is traumatized by and what causes their anxiety. Upon completion, any answers that the surveyor entered will be manifested into reality. Depending on how the surveyor responds and how much detail they use in their response, this can put the surveyor and anyone around them in extreme danger. For your safety, you are advised to not click these links or respond to these emails for any reason. These emails are very rare, though they can be sent to anyone at any time. If you receive an email from 1645, either ignore it or report the sender.